This video demonstrates the CSS box model. So I already have an image here, and it's a cute little corgi. Its image is 200 by 200 pixels. So let's start by adding a border, because that's easy. I have to first select the image. So I'll just use IMG to select all images and add a border. And remember, border takes three properties. It takes a width, so let's do 3px for a width. It has to have a type. Let's do solid. And then we need a color. So let's do green, because we're going to go with a nice green grass in the picture. Okay, so let's run and see what happens. And now we have a border, except I'm going to change it to be a little bigger so it's easier to see. Okay, now first I'll add some padding, and then you'll see what happens. So I add padding. I'll just do a padding of an even number. Padding of, let's say 6px of padding, and I could do 6px of padding. That puts it on all four sides. So let's run this and see what happens. And as you can see now, the content is the image. The padding is the space between the border and the image. Now we have one more thing to look at. There's also a margin. That's part of the box model. So a margin, let's put a margin in of 20px so we can make sure we can see it. So now I'm adding a margin, run this, and that added a margin on the outside of this. And that is how the CSS box model works.